Halloween. Okay, so this is what you're going to have to buy. You're going to have to buy these trash bags by Glad. But you can see they're the handle trash bags. You know, it's like a really large Walmart bag or just a grocery bag with the handles. A Sharpie. I got the king size. It makes it a lot easier and faster. And a pair of scissors. Any type of scissors will work. Okay, so you open up the bags, and this is what it looks like. They're in a roll. And the handle is the first thing you see. So what you're going to do is you're going to just get better focus. You're going to have the handles hang down a little bit, like that. And I'm going to get the Sharpie, and I'm going to draw one eye here and one eye there. Okay, it's going to look just like that. And I make the eyes oval. And now we're going to come down a little bit, and we're going to make the mouth very, very large, much larger than the eyeballs. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you've drawn the eyes and the mouth. Then you take it off. And this is what it looks like when it is off. Now I'm going to take some scissors, and I'm going to cut right here. So I'm cutting at the end of the bag, but when you cut at the end of the bag, you want to make sure that it's real jagged. So you're just going to be like, cut really crazy like this. We're going to cut a bunch of lines at the bottom of the bag. Okay, I hung it up so you guys can see what it looks like. I just hung it right there so you can see. I haven't opened the bag yet, but I did cut all the bottoms, and I have not opened the bottom of the bag, because you can see right here. Because you can do this once you've already hung it. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here, and we're going to determine how long do we actually want these pieces. So if you want them all the same length, you're going to go to the very bottom of it, and you're going to cut it at the bottom. But if you want them super long and all different lengths, you're going to cut them in the front and then in the back. So I'm going to cut that in the front. You see that? And then if I go over here and I cut this, sorry guys, I'm holding the camera at the same time I'm doing this. You open it and then you cut it in the back. You can see the different lengths that they're going to be. Just like that. And you see all the jagged makes it look really cool. You see? But when you hang it, let me show you. When you hang it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to take this and you're going to tape it to the back of this. You're just going to tape it like that. Let me show you. Okay, so I got up in the tree so I can actually show you. But you see, it's just taped to the back of it like that. And when you cut the bottom all different lengths, is how it looks. Looks really, really cool. And that's what it looks like when it's done and hanging. Really, really cool.